Welcome back. Watch this video till the end if you are not seeing the GPT store inside your account. I'm going to show you how you can still access it if you're not seeing the Explore GPT option. Before we jump into it, like and share this video so more people can see this. All right, so massive news came from OpenAI, ChatGPT today, the launch of the GPT store. This is kind of like a Apple App Store launching again, Google Play Store. And the way it works is inside your account, in your ChatGPT account, you'll see Explore GPT, and then here are all the different GPTs, different apps, sort of, that you will be able to see. Now, what's interesting is when I went to my account, so mine is a paid account, I don't see that option here. I don't see Explore GPT, right? So what's going on? How do you still access this if you kind of don't have access, or if the option of Explore GPT is not showing up? So here's what you're going to do. Watch closely. Step number one, obviously go to chat.openai.com and log into your account. And then here is what you want to do. Once you log in, type /GPTs on the top. So chat.openai.com/GPTs, enter, and boom, here you go. Your GPT store will appear right away. So it's kind of like a workaround. I'm sure it's a glitch. They will fix it very soon, hopefully. But this is how, by just going there, you can bookmark this URL. So if you're not seeing this Explore GPT option, so technically you should see this. If you're not seeing this option, go to this URL and add the /GPTs, and then you'll see all the GPT store here. And here are different categories right here. There is a search bar. So if you want to search for anything, just enter your keyword and it will show you the relevant GPTs, their usage right next to it. You can pick any and then start using it. So trick you can use to access GPTs if you don't have access yet. Any questions, let me know before you go. Like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.